thing for you, for any organization, would be to come with proactive strategy. In the case of KOF, it has not happened because competitors have always taken one up on them. They have come out with better strategies to the market. Now, what KOF can at least do now is to be coming out with counter strategies. It can be a reaction to the competitor strategy. Then the other thing which KOF could think of is extend credit facilities to needy customers depending on their credit worthiness. So, it should not become one more NPA type of thing with respect to the bank. So, depending on the credit worthiness, you can think of extend credit facility. In order to encourage sales, the union should extend cash rebate to institutions who prefer to buy oil on cash basis. Suppose they are institutions are bulk buyers, you can consider giving them some cash rebate. This door-to-door sale, which is an approach adopted, would give competitive edge, no doubt, at places because these KOF people know their growers much better than their competitors because they are in touch with the local growers. So, they can perform this well, and if they take to the logical end, they will find that there are few competitors who can match them in this type in the marketplace. The product of this KOF being price sensitive. What is most important for KOF to market is adopt better pricing strategy. What do you mean by better pricing strategy? Many times the competitor intentionally reduces price. Then KOF should not be a mute spectator to them. You should also come up with sensitive pricing strategy. So, this can give you a market which you had not earlier that is the price sensitive customers can come into this fold of KOF. The other aspect which KOF should think of, how is the product placed in the different outlets. So, suppose it is a big bazaar outlet, it should not be in a remote shelf where not many will notice the product. So, it should be prominently displayed. When you are able to prominently display this product, then you will certainly have an advantage of the shelf space. This can influence the buying behavior of consumers to a reasonable extent. This was also what was brought out to you with respect to these candy companies operating in Western market, especially the European market and the United States market also. So, there are a large number of companies making candy and they are given time slots to exhibit their product by these different malls and other outlets. So, you have in the morning one candy company exhibiting its product, then in the afternoon it will be a different candy company because there is a constant demand for shelf space by these companies. That many types of these marketers are not there with respect to oils. So, you should exploit this to get better shelf space. And if you see any outlet of say Big Bazaar, you have at least minimum 2 racks devoted to this oil, and these 2 racks you should ensure that these KOF products are displayed prominent. Similarly, with respect to other outlets, your Reliance Fresh or this Big Basket or this Walmart, all those types of things. So, in other words, the main emphasis of KOF should be for improved marketing methods. When you look at improved marketing methods, what is going to happen? You are influencing the buyer behavior of the consumer. Ultimately, what is required in the marketplace is purchase. This purchase will result in improved market share for the company. And if you are able to attract the customer, making use of your shelf space in a proper way, that means to say you have a relatively good job. Okay. So, which KOF presently appears to be not doing the way its competitors do. So, take other competitors. So, if you look at a Big Bazaar outlet only, you should ask him for these Safal oils unless and until you ask him for the Safal oil, you may not be able to find out where these Safal oils are exhibited. You will find all other brands of oil, but you will not find this. So similarly, the house may be aware of all the other brands of oil. When you say, why don't you try this, she may not be very enthusiastic in trying it out. So in other words, what is required is look at improved marketing methods. Look at getting good shelf spacing for your product. Improved shelf spacing for the product in this outlet, whether it is a metro or a big bazaar or any other outlet, can contribute substantially to increasing your market. So these are points which are expansions of the points which are mentioned in the PowerPoint presentation which I gave to you on this particular case, and this is basically a question and answer report for this particular case. So what have we done in the whole process? We have looked at the introduction of a new product in the form of this Suryodaya case in this Udyan Nagar market. We looked at the types of strategies that was adopted by a well-known automobile company like Toyota marketing strategy. Then we looked at a good service industry like Cafe Coffee Day, how it is operated. Then we looked at a well-known IT service provider like this iFlex, now taken over by Oracle, how it is operated. Then we came to the primary sector of the economy to look at this agriculture sector and look at the oil seeds in this OGCS, that is this Karnataka Oil Federation, coming out with Safal brands of oil. So in short, through this in this course, we have looked at 5 cases. The case studies book gives you nearly 30 cases or maybe even 30 plus. So looks at different aspects of marketing, can be international marketing, also can be services marketing. So my suggestion would be to look at this case studies book, look at all the cases. All these cases are real life cases and they present to you the factual data, and it can be very helpful for you to appreciate the markets in which the companies are operating, and it can also help you to analyze these cases from your own way. So many times, as I mentioned, there is particularly right method with respect to a case. You should look at the method which contributes to increase in revenues. How does it increase the revenues of the company? So that could be a good alternative for you. And if you are able to do that, then more or less you have achieved your end result. So the 2 books for this, one is the along with Kotler, my book on case studies in marketing in the Indian context can help you to approach this subject in a fairly professional manner. You will get a good exposure to the subject also. You will also be able to appreciate the nonsense of this particular subject. So how marketing is not the same marketing which we were used. The marketing that you are having in the present day is highly competitive. The competition is almost severe in almost all the products or the services. So when you are having this type of fierce competition, what is required from your side as a player is to stand up to this competition, if not better the other player. Only when you stand up to this competition, then you can make a mark in this market. I will stop here. Thank you.